these puts which have been traded here is this, which is if you look into the difference. So there are about 6 put contracts which have been heavily traded here, and 4 calls which have been heavily traded here. Which is common in this both is 1320 calls and 1320 puts. So let's look into the price of the calls and puts. See, if you look into the thousandth, it's not, it's highly irrelevant. Yeah. If you look into the 1300 put here, the high price on Friday is 39 and the low price is 22. I'm finding it difficult over with these things here.
To see the chart of this PE and CE options.
Yeah, I'm just getting. I don't. I usually use a mobile one, so I'm just getting used to it. Anyways, let's make it simple. Let's take uh, now it's 1295. So I'm taking one out of the money put and one out of the money call. Here, out of the money put is 1280 put, which is 28, and the low price of that and the low is 16. And whereas comes to calls here, the high is 29 and the low is 15. So what, and I will also just try to look into the average traded price here, maximum contract. So the average traded price of say of the call is of the 1320 call is 24. Okay, and then the average traded price of the put here is 22. So what basically I will do, my plan of action on say on Monday would be is I'll just look into the C P P if it crosses 30, because why why 30? Because it's already in the downside, and I need more momentum to it has closed above the average traded price. So I will always wanted to uh, cross the Friday's high. So if say on Friday, on Monday, if market opens lower, and for the first 5 or 15 minutes, if this 1028 put trades about 30, I will go and buy that. Okay, that will be my trade. Or if suppose it's not going above 30, I will look into what is happening in the 1320 call. Okay, and then what I will do is, okay, I'll just wait for it to cross about 24, because 24 is the average price at which they have the CE has been written. So I'll just wait for how strong the CE writers are. Okay, so once that is there, then I will make a buy call on escorts. So basically, I will wait for a range to break, because if you see the charts also, it's looking at anything below 1240, sorry, 1280. The stock is weak and it is expected to go down. So same thing, upside wise, it is getting sold off at 1320, which is pretty much what uh, the call writers are also looking at. So anything above these range, say for example, ideally if you're selling it in a futures and option, I will look at in futures I will look at selling it below 1280, and in case of buying it for intraday purposes, anything about 1320. Hope it makes sense what I'm trying to share with you guys here. It's basically decision making at the end of the understanding. Open interest is nothing but demand and supply. At the end of the day, who is weaker? Whether the buyers are weaker or the sellers are weaker. It comes to that simple thing. Okay. Whoever wins the rumb what is it? Whoever able to hold on to their position, that person is going to that person is going to make money, and the one person who's not in a position to hold on to his position is going to have to wind up, and they have to book their losses. This is basically what futures and option is all about. It's basically a demand supply. It's nothing rocket science, anything around that. It's just understanding, uh, having a data and comparing where you are getting uh, the the volumes, high volumes are traded at, and what is the price where there is, what is it, tough competition between the buyers, uh, say uh, say by the option writers and the option buyers, who have the deep pockets to ensure that they'll be in a position to uh, take home the money. That's all. Apart from that, there's nothing in that. Let's look into another thing. Considering this one has come, Ultratech results have come. Let's say, for example, Ambuja Cement. So the current thing of Ambuja Cement is, so the thing of Ambuja Cement is like 257. So which are the option contracts which has come over here is basically so we have this C puts.
And Swami, your analysis only works for a difference between two continuous days, right? Like before day and two. Is it possible to just one week and say next 1 week it will go high, super high?
I can show you. Uh, I can show you. This is for intraday. If you want for that, 1 second. You able to see the screen now? What you have in front of you?
Yeah, I see